Thanks for cooking, Dad. Oh, that my... didn't grab a spoon. Am I? No, I didn't. Put this back. Hi guys, maghugas tayo ng pinggan. Daming hugasin. Madam baby. Hi Bob. Konti na lang kami dito. Ay baba. Konti na lang kami dito. Umuwi na yung iba. Today is Saturday. Afternoon na. Mga 12. So maghugas muna tayo. Just us left. Ay Dad.
Yeah,
No, I think
well, for the weekend.
one day.
Everyone must think, oh, it's going to be packed on the weekend. I won't go. And no one comes.
Kami na lang natira. Wow. Kunti na lang. Ay baba. Wow, very strong. Look at her. Drag it, drag. Just drag it, Bob. Where's your rope, Dad? Do you have rope or something that she can drag it? Yeah. Dad, help her. But let her drag. Mohag firewood. Yeah, boy. Now that's enough, Bob. So may nagra-rafting dito, guys. At saka kayaking. They came from the top. See, ang dami nila. Bye-bye. We're inside the tent. Dahil parang umuulan. Shower. And Dad made
Extrair.
DIY. What do you call that, Paul?
Extrair.
Yeah, gumawa siya ng ganyan, guys.
Take off your
Para
fingers.
kasi hindi kami nakadala ng...
Look at
What's that? Pole? What do you call that? Pole?
Oh.
Pole. Yeah, yung ginawa niya, guys. That one. Two pole.
Temporary.
Para in case it's gonna rain. What are you gonna do, Dad?
Dad, take off your finger.
Yeah. Princess life. Princess life.
Guys, my daddy's going to take off fingers.
Take off fingers.
Are you prepared? See?
Okay.
Ready? You watching my hand?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. Hi guys! Nakaligo na pala ako, guys. Nagpag-shower na ako. Andito ako ngayon sa charging station, recycle station, kung saan pwede ka din mag-charge ng phone, maghugas ng mga pinggan, and siguro pwede din magluto dito. So anyway, nakapag-shower na ako, guys. Hindi ko pala nakapakita sa inyo na yung shower pala nila dito, guys, is may bayad. Well, may bayad din naman. Ang pag-camping dito, may bayad din naman. Pero ang shower dito, kung gusto mo ng hot shower, so may bayad. Mga $450. Paywave lang, parang sa machine mo lang. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys, after ko dito magkilay. Kasi may plano kami pupunta doon sa cafe, sa taas. While andito ako, nag-charge ng phone, nagkilay na lang din. Diba? Yung mag-ama ko ay nasa labas. Pero hindi ko iniwan yung phone ko dito na hindi tiningnan ng asawa ko. Malinis din yung toilet nila dito. Medyo quiet ngayon ang Saturday, guys. walang nagka-camping masyado. Unlike nung dumating kami dito ng Thursday, marami kami. And yesterday, marami. So ngayon, Saturday, medyo quiet na. Parang nagsiuwian na yung iba kaninang umaga. And then, ang weather din this morning, guys, is mga early morning, guys, na umulan dito.
Hey, I was just thinking, the time I drove over that bridge, the old bridge,
Yeah.
was when I first brought that Civic from Auckland.
Is it?
And I was driving home. I came down here and like drove.
That way?
Well, no, I just came down for a look.
Oh, with
I
your old
flew-
Civic.
I flew to Auckland
Jeez.
to get the car.
Nice, Bob.
So we've still got that same car that I drove over the bridge in. Cracking.
So, yun na nga, guys. Basta yung shower nila dito, guys, if post lang yung gagamitin. Parang pay-wave lang siya. Ganyan. Yun na. Automatic na. Basta mga mga 10-15 minutes lang yung shower. Tapos malalaman mo na tapos na yung 450. Tapos na yung $450 mo. Pag marinig mo na may beep beep, meaning patapos na yung time sa shower. Malamig na yung lalabas. Ang tagal ko pa naman mag-shower, guys. Buti na lang nung nag-rinse na ako sa buhok ko, patapos na din. Ay, kilay is life, guys. Pangit talaga ng kilay ko, guys. Pag uuwi talaga ako sa Pinas, magpa-ombre ako, guys. Para wala ng drawing. So, parang mag-fishing ata ulit to si Mr. King mamaya, guys. Or ngayong gabi. So, tatapusin ko lang tong kilay ko, guys. Tapos buhok. Okay na. Basta may kilay. Hindi naman ako ma-makeup na tao, guys. Basta may kilay lang. Manipis lang kasi kilay ko, guys. Makikita niyo naman sa mga video ko. Kasi minsan, tinatamad talaga akong magkilay. Magkilay na lang tayo ng konti. Kasi nga, pupunta tayo dun sa cafe. Sabi ni Mr. King. So, kilay na lang tayo ng very, very light. Okay, tapos na to, guys. Basta importante may kilay lang. Tapos buhok ko. Ano ko lang tong buhok ko? Wala pala akong dalang salamin. Kaya kayo muna ang salamin ko, guys. Maliit lang kasing dala ko na salamin. Parang hindi ko nagla yung hairbrush ko, guys. Oops. Diba? Ang sarap ang sarap talaga ng shower. Baka either tomorrow or Monday, uuwi na kami, guys. Dahil,
Mom,
yes.
scared of this guy?
Oh, what have you been picking, Babab?
Hi, what's your name?
Tapos lagay tayo ng contact sa
What are you saying, Bob?
Huh?
What?
No, I'm just talking to myself. Hindi lang yung kilay ko ang pangit, guys, pati buhok. Nilalagyan ko nito, yung Garnier Repairing Papaya Hair Food for damaged hair. Kasi, totoo naman, damage yung hair ko. Hindi ko lang alam, guys. Yun nga, after ko manganak kay Madam Baby, ang kulot-kulot na ng buhok ko. So, ito, guys, nililibon ko lang siya. Na konti, tap-tap-tap dito sa... Ang importante, hindi ko kasi nilalagyan yung scalp. Sa ano lang, guys, mga dito-dito lang. Mga strands. Charot. Murag expert eh. But anyway, iba-iba naman tayo ng buhok, guys. Ito lang ginagawa ko. Ito lang akin. Tapos na. Okay, I'm done, guys. See ya! So, yan, guys. We're in a cafe. And dito yung cafe nila at saka reception. Kung gusto mong mag-inquire about rafting and kayaking, pwede din kumain.
Live music tomorrow.
Oh, starting 4 p.m.
So, may billiard sila.
Ito yung labas. What are we gonna have? Yeah, I wanna look at them. So, dyan yung toilet nila, guys.
That's the good thing about Danish curse words sound so cute.
So, ito yung toilet nila. Malinis naman kayo. Dalawang shower. Dalawang toilet. So, yan. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking ginger.
You want to see? Where's the toilet? Just is it over there?
Yeah,
Is it?
just over
Oh,
there.
I need to go.
What do you get? Pizza as well?
Tomato and cheese.
You would.
I want this plate.
Okay. I'll have this plate. Yum. Thank you. It'll still be a little
Pizza,
bit hot.
pizza sila. Pizza, pizza.
But it's
Salad,
dinner,
salad
isn't
lang si Mami.
No, extra bite.
Where?
I have a black.
How big is it, Dad?
it? Right, we'll put cream on it. Don't touch it. We'll put some cream when we get back down, okay? Oh. Have some pizza too if you like.
This is, wait, you gotta remember this is our dinner now.
No. We've got so much food down there, it's not even funny. We might be staying another night. Oh, that's good pizza, bro.
This is a homemade, eh?
Yeah.
This is nice too, Dad.
Are you gonna use your plate?
Kain muna kami, guys. Bye.
Bye.
That's where the hot tub. Yeah, the hot tub will be in here, Bob. See the hot tub there? That big round thing? There's a big round. No, we can't go in. No, it's locked. We can't. Yeah. So see that thing? There's a round thing there. Yeah, so that's the hot tub. Okay, come on now. That's waiting.
Possum bait station, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Possums and rats.
So this is another spot for camping, eh? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, same tent. Yeah. Oh, that's
This
cool.
is cool up here, eh?
Yeah, I know.
Very nice though.
Oh, yeah, because it's flasher, I think. That's
Feels like
why.
it's more sheltered.
Yeah, we'll go this way. Go down. Oh, the berries, Bob.
Really
cute.
little bridge, is it? So we can camp down here. Wait, look at all the room.
Yeah, because it's like, look after, Dad.
Oh, this
It's
is
like,
so.
I know. It's big area.
Oh,
So, the cafe's there. So, pwede dito. Pwede mag-camping. Pero mas mahal, guys. Other spot for camping. Hi, Bob.
Another good spot.
Cuddle in the morning. Cuddle, cuddle.
Look at me.
Do not do that, Bob, because you may, it will be blood, magdugo na, mag-blood. Don't do that.
Dad, look at my beautiful lips.
Bacon and egg.
Mumusmus. Damba. Damba. Dama si mumusmus. Damba.
What are you singing?
Damba. Dama si mumusmus. Damba.
Any other dishes?
Get some firewood. Yay!
I have this one.
You're helping Dad.
I have this one.
Is that wet, Dad?
No, it's dry.
Yay! More fireworks for tonight. Raining. We're back.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Margarita. Yan pala yun. Last night, Dad. Cheers. Good morning, guys. So today is Monday. So mahina lang yung boses ko kasi natutulog pa si Madam Baby. Natutulog pa si Madam. So nasa-start na kami mag-packing up. Pack up na kami, guys, kasi since yesterday pangit na yung weather. Tapos yung river, ang flow ng river din umaangat na. Pero hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ko. Nagsa-start na akong mag-pack up, guys. Yan, nilalagay na yung iba sa sasakyan. Dahil, tingnan nyo, guys, ang pangit ng tubig, ang lubog. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero pack up muna kami kasi bago pa umulan kasi yun mga guys, oh, cloudy. Good morning! Naomi mo? We're packing up now, Bob. We're going home today. The water is so not good, Bob. Do you want to look the river? It's so melty. And it's getting deeper and deeper too. Tingnan nyo yung weather. Tingnan nyo yung river, guys. Yung river na nagiging melty or kaputi. See? But may pulis. Di ko alam bakit may pulis. Parang gina-guard yun para wala nang makapasok kasi delikado na yung tubig. Alright, that's the river, guys. It's so chocolate. Melty.